The S3 company supports educational initiatives and the development of craftsmanship. Recently, we held a wood carving workshop where both experienced individuals and beginners were able to master basic techniques in just one session. Each participant had the opportunity to work with the tools and create their own piece, experiencing the carving process from the very first touch to the finished result. The work used STRYI tools, which are notable for their sharpness right out of the box. They are completely ready to use without any additional sharpening. The blades are made from high-carbon steel, which ensures long-lasting sharpness, precision, and comfort during use. The STRYI range includes various chisels for all types of carving. If you're interested in carving or just starting out, we can offer online courses or beginner kits. And if you already have tools, we can help you expand your collection. STRYI is quality trusted by craftsmen.